site outside of the West Web Pages, to create a link to a page in the West Web Pages, to create a link to a document that's stored on the West server, and to upload a document to the West server. You begin by logging on to www.wlac.edu/cmsdesk. Use your access name and password, and you should arrive at a page like this. Depending on your access, you may see multiple folders or just one on the left side. If you do see multiple folders, navigate to the folder that is yours. Today we'll play in the sandbox. By clicking on this triangle, I can expand or collapse a folder. I'm going to expand it, and we're going to work on the training page 2. On this side of my screen is a live version of the page, and we'll go back and forth between them. Okay, first, let me get rid of some links. Sorry about that. Okay, we want to create a link to NASA. So I'm going to go to the NASA page and copy the URL, Control-C to copy. Now I'm going to come over here and highlight the words. I go to the link icon, a globe with chains, and I'm going to select the Web tab. Using the Web tab, I can type in the address or I can paste it, Control-V, and then I click the green button, Insert. It turned blue. That's a good sign. That means my link should be there. I'm going to save. Remember, you always want to save your work, but when you do save, it will be live on the site right away. Save. Let's check out our live page. We'll refresh it. Link to NASA. Oh good, it worked. Okay, next. Now we want to navigate to a site on the West website. You could just copy paste in a URL for a West page, or you can highlight your words, link to WLAC financial aid page. Click our link icon. Instead of web, we're going to content. By clicking content, I can scroll through our pages. There's financial aid, and I want to link to the home page of financial aid, and then insert. Let's see. It turned blue, good sign. Let's save. We'll check it, refresh our screen, click it, click the link. We got financial aid. All right. Now we're going to try to link to a document that's already on our server. Highlight the words, click the link option. This time we want something stored in media libraries. Documents and images on the server are in media libraries. So we click that tab. We want a document, and we're scrolling down. We're going to grab something out of the sandbox folder. We'll pick this one, Edit Table, and green button, Insert. Let's see, it turned blue. Save. We'll check our work, refresh the screen. Oh good, there's our PDF document. Okay, the last thing. How do we upload a document to the server so that we can create that link? Here we go. We're going to highlight the words. We click that link icon. We want to stay on the tab Media Libraries because this is where we want to add our document. The library we want is Documents, and we want to make sure that we upload to the correct folder. For those of you with access to multiple folders, this is very important. We're going to add to the Sandbox Stuff folder. I'm going to click on it, select it, and then I'm going to click New File. I'm going out to my desktop to get my document, Career, Open. It's appeared on my screen. Let's see. Career, Insert. And so now in one step I have both linked and uploaded the document. Let's see, I'll save. Let's check it. And there's my document. And if I wanted to link that document elsewhere, let me just check that it really is still there. Let's say I want to link it to a subhead. I highlight, go to the link icon. I want to check my media library, the documents, sandbox stuff, and there's my document. How about when you want to upload a document that you don't need to link right away? You want to put it in there for later. The process is different. So I'm going to go to Tools and then Media, because again that's where I want all my documents and images to live. The pencil is Edit. I want to edit or add a document. Again, I need to go to my folder, which is Sandbox, and I'm going to add in a new file. That new file I can grab from my desktop. Let's grab Priority Registration Appeal PDF. And there it is. And it's in my media library for me to use later. Now we don't want to keep them on here, so I'm going to delete those by clicking the red X. And to get back to my page, I go to the Content tab. I navigate back to my folder and my page, Sandbox, Training Page 2. And now I can continue to type or edit or add in pictures, documents, or links as I please. That's the end of this session.